Regret is a tough pill to swallow, especially when it comes with a hefty car payment. Every year, thousands of car buyers experience what we call the regret trade. Whether it's reliability woes, sky-high maintenance costs, or just a big old case of, I thought it'd be better, these are the cars most likely to leave you looking for a do-over. And that's before we even touch on depreciation costs. Today, we're counting down the 7 cars that new owners are ditching in droves due to essentially buyer's remorse, and offering you some smarter alternatives to avoid the headache altogether, starting with the Nissan Versa. While it's one of the most affordable cars on the market, the Versa is a prime example of how sometimes in life, you get what you pay for. Owners report frequent reliability concerns and low satisfaction scores, according to Consumer Reports, and according to data provided by IC Cars, 8.7% of buyers get rid of this car in the first year of ownership. The Versa's 122 horsepower engine paired with a droning and frankly awful CVT struggles to deliver a smooth ride, especially when merging on the freeway or, God forbid, climbing hills. Basic features and a lack of comfort quickly remind buyers that affordability comes with compromises. That said, the Versa does have a few redeeming qualities. Its small size make it incredibly easy to maneuver in tight urban spaces, and its fuel economy is among the best in class. For city dwellers looking for a budget-friendly ride, it can still serve a purpose. However, if you're in the market for something more reliable and better to live with that's still affordable, consider the Toyota Corolla. It's fuel efficient, well equipped, holds its value well, and doesn't feel like you're settling. And real quick, if a new car is in your near future, do yourself a favor and check out Auto Tempest. It's the best place to find your next ride, and I'm not just saying that, we use it here at Ideal all the time, so just click the link below and go check it out. Next up, the Jaguar XF. Jaguar has been struggling to find its footing in recent years, and that publicity stunt they pulled when announcing their latest concept hasn't exactly worked out. Unlike the Type 00 concept though, the XF luxury sedan is a car you can actually buy. Not that you necessarily should, seeing as roughly 8.8% of buyers immediately trade this car back in. Sure, it turns heads with its sleek design and agile handling, but the ownership experience often leaves much to be desired. Common issues include underwhelming performance from its 2-liter turbocharged engine, reliability concerns are all but a given, and to make matters worse, maintenance costs are through the roof. Parts from England, am I right? Resale value plummets quickly, making it a tough financial pill to swallow. However, we can't ignore the XF's strong suits. It's a stunning car both inside and out, with a refined cabin featuring high-quality materials, and a design aesthetic that stands out in its class. For buyers focused on looks and initial comfort, the XF absolutely delivers. Still, for a better overall experience in this category, the Genesis G70 delivers a strong performance, a long warranty, and frankly excellent build quality, all at a more reasonable price. And if a Genesis isn't your thing, there's always the old go-to of BMW 5 Series. But let's move on. Quirky design may be a mini hallmark, but the Clubman's high maintenance costs and stiff ride quality make it a difficult car to live with. Technically, the Clubman was discontinued in 2024, but you can still find brand new examples for sale. Loud road noise and the odd rear barn doors that compromise functionality add to the frustration with this guy, but are only part of the reason why owner satisfaction scores are abysmal. 10.7% of buyers dump this car year one, and fact is, many buyers just expect more refinement at this price point. That said, the Clubman has a unique charm that appeals to some enthusiasts. Like all minis, its handling is nimble, making it a fun choice for twisty roads or urban driving. And let's not forget the customization options, which allow owners to make their Clubman uniquely theirs. While it is fun to drive, the Clubman simply doesn't offer the value or comforts that most buyers need. A smarter choice would be the Mazda 3 Turbo. It's stylish, sporty, a ton of fun, and far more practical without the Clubman's drawbacks. The Land Rover Evoque is another vehicle that's good at making a first impression, but fails to deliver in the long run. Owners report throttle delays, jerky transmission behavior, and a very un-Land Rover-like stiff ride make every drive kind of a chore. Reliability scores are notoriously low, and high maintenance costs only add insult to injury. Owners often realize they're paying a premium for a badge, not their performance. With that, the Evoque's bold styling and luxurious interior can't be overlooked. Land Rover's styling department pretty much never disappoints, and for buyers who prioritize aesthetics above all else, it does have its appeal. On looks alone, the Evoque might tempt you, but fact is, something like the Audi Q5 is a better option. It combines luxury, performance, and much greater reliability in a package that's a lot easier to live with. This compact luxury SUV tries to blend affordability and sophistication, but it falls short in key areas. Its infotainment system is clunky and unintuitive, and the ride quality can feel harsh over rough roads, all in the name of trying to make it feel sporty and nimble. While the RDX is generally reliable, its resale value lags behind competitors in the luxury segment. That said, there are a few strong points though. Its turbocharged engine provides more than adequate acceleration, and it offers generous cargo space for a vehicle of its size. Additionally, Acura's reputation for dependability ensures that major issues are rare. Still, for a smoother ride and superior interior materials, its direct competitor, the Lexus NX, is a smarter choice in the same price range. If this list were ranked, the Land Rover Discovery Sport would land itself near the top. Sharing many of the flaws found in the Evoque, the Discovery Sport suffers from reliability issues, disappointing fuel economy, and a frustrating powertrain. What's more is its high starting price and poor resale value leave buyers questioning their decisions. It's a jack of all trades, but a master of none, lacking standout features to justify its cost. On the bright side, the Disco Sport's off-road capabilities are among the best in its class, making it a viable option for adventure enthusiasts. Its optional third row also provides extra seating flexibility, and that's a rare feature in compact SUVs. Don't expect to fit much more than a toddler back there though. For a stylish, safe, and feature-packed alternative, the Volvo XC60 is a standout choice. You'll probably want to avoid the plug-in hybrid version though, they've had problems. Or you could just go for one of the highest ranked SUVs in the market, the BMW X5. Finally, we come to the Mercedes-Benz C-Class, with 12.4% of owners changing their minds about their purchase in the first year. While it dazzles with its design and technology, the ownership costs, including maintenance and insurance, coupled with depreciation, are shockingly high. Buyers find themselves struggling to justify the expense, especially when reliability just isn't up to par. The sad truth is, Mercedes quality isn't what it once was. That said, the C-Class shines with its luxurious interior, cutting-edge tech, and smooth driving dynamics. It's a joy to drive when everything works as it should, but even though it looks like a baby S-Class, it doesn't live up to the same standards of quality. For a dependable luxury sedan in this segment, the Lexus IS offers lower ownership costs and a greater peace of mind, making it potentially a smarter choice. Now, obviously, these aren't all the cars that leave buyers dissatisfied, and some owners of these cars seem genuinely happy with their purchase. So what do you do to avoid buyer's remorse? For one, always do your homework. Use resources like Consumer Reports and JD Power, Reddit, and forums to check reliability and owner satisfaction. Also, remember to think beyond the sticker price and consider long-term costs, including maintenance, insurance, and depreciation. Finally, choose brands with proven track records. Toyota, Honda, Mazda, Lexus consistently deliver reliability and value, making them safe bets for your next car purchase. With that being said, there are a ton of other great options. Just do your research. Buyer's remorse is no joke. I mean, it sucks, and making a monthly payment on something you're not happy with, or is losing a ton of value, is even worse. But with a little research and planning, you can avoid the pain of a regrettable car purchase. The key is to look beyond the badge in the brochure and dig into what really matters: reliability, comfort, cost of ownership, maybe most importantly, how the vehicle makes you feel. Have you ever regretted a car purchase? Share your story in the comments below, and while you're there, give us a like, subscribe if you're new, and go check out some of our other content right over here. My name's Trav, thanks for watching folks, see you in the next one.